Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video I would love to show you 3 different things that you can crochet ready for Valentine's Day. It's only round the corner. So each of these things I will put a little information card up here in the top right corner relevant to the correct video, and I'll also put a link down in the description below of how to make each of these things. So the first one that I'm going to show you is actually my Happy Valentine's Ray. I know, it's pretty cliche, but come on, isn't it cute? So, like I said, I'm going to link the pattern for this guy up here in the corner and down in the description below. And this little pink ray works up really quickly. So my colour A was obviously pink for that video. And it's pretty beginner friendly. And I think that it's going to be very cute for Valentine's Day. I mean, Valentine's Ray, I'll see myself out. My second suggestion for something to crochet for Valentine's Day would be one more for the gamers, and that would obviously be the Love Ball from Pokemon. Now this works up quickly, and again I'll link the pattern. It's very easy to make. It uses basic stitches for the ball, slightly more advanced for this heart up here, but it does work up quickly. And this is one to certainly throw at the partner, especially if they're into Pokemon or gaming in general. I guarantee they'll know what it is, or at least what it's from. And lastly, we're going to go for something a little bit more subtle. Now these little heart key rings work up very quickly, and they are a lot more discreet if your partner isn't really into big flashy things. Just something small like this hanging off of the card, any colour of your choosing. I'm sure that they would love it a lot because it's nice, it's small, it's discreet, and of course it's made with love. So if they're not really into all the flashy gifts and whatnot for Valentine's Day, just something small made of whichever colour, I think that one might go down a nice treat for whoever is going to receive it. So there you have it. There's 3 nice, quick, easy ideas of what to crochet for this Valentine's Day. And let's just do a very quick bonus mention to, of course, the Worry Pet that I'll link up here as well on the little card. But you can make this guy some beautiful colours, pink and purple, symbolising love, or something like that. But a Worry Pet will always go down a treat, and these are completely beginner friendly as well. So that's always an option. Little bonus shout out to my little guys here, and I'm sure that would actually be really cute. Little love pet. So like I say, there we go. There's 3 ideas and a bonus one. Hopefully I can inspire you for something to make this Valentine's Day. Best of luck with it all, and fingers crossed, well, no, guarantee whatever you make, it will be greatly loved and appreciated. Most crochet things always are. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more. Once again, thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.